Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The Best Play Workbench is probably one of the most versatile and engaging toys you can introduce to your toddler, offering a world of imaginative play and skill development right at their fingertips, transforming everyday moments into exciting construction adventures and fostering creativity through hands-on exploration. Number 5. Play 22 Kids Tool Set Bench 76 PC. Introducing a comprehensive 76-piece tool set designed to spark creativity. It includes all the basic, realistic tools they'll need for building and repairing. This is the perfect gift for any young handyman or woman. This workshop comes with a workbench, an electronic drill, and a wide variety of accessories like screws, nuts, and spanners. They can combine these tools or use them individually to create anything they imagine. Help cultivate your child's imagination and enhance their motor skills. This premium play set develops coordination abilities and boosts creativity, providing hours of engaging playtime. Compact and lightweight, this toy workbench is designed for easy portability. It's the perfect travel buddy, allowing your child to be creative at the park, beach, or backyard. This play set meets all U.S. safety standards, made with non-toxic, BPA-free, and lead-free materials. It's a safe and educational toy that encourages hands-on learning and fun. Looking for a great gift for birthdays or holidays? This realistic toy tool set is designed in the USA and is perfect for toddlers and young children, boys and girls alike. What we like. This set comes with a comprehensive 76 pieces, including an electronic drill for realistic play. If you're looking for a portable option that can go anywhere, this is a great choice for your little handyman. What people say. One side is a pirate ship, the other is a tool shed where they help their dad make improvements. The amount of tools included are great. The set feels steady, the tools are safe, and they are perfectly sized for kids to handle them. It helps with their creativity, keeps them hand-on for a good period of time, and teach them how to SE the tools. It's durable, but it didn't stay together very well. It took one grandson exactly 30 seconds to disassemble it. They like it though. Number 4. TooyBing Kids Tool Bench Set. Introducing the TooyBing Kids Tool Bench Set, a fun and engaging playset designed for aspiring young builders. It's packed with realistic tools to spark creativity. This comprehensive set includes 132 pieces, featuring an electric drill, hammers, saws, and more. It's everything they need to create their own workshop. It easily transforms from a spacious workbench into a convenient toolbox. This clever design makes it perfect for play and storage on the go. This educational toy encourages imagination and develops fine motor skills. It's a fantastic way for children to explore science and engineering concepts. Crafted from safe, BPA-free plastic with smooth edges, this set is built for durability. The tools are perfectly sized for little hands, ensuring a safe play experience. Looking for an ideal gift? This tool bench set is beautifully packaged and makes a wonderful present for birthdays and holidays. It's sure to bring hours of joy. What we like. With an impressive 132 pieces and a clever 2-in-1 design that converts from a workbench to a toolbox, this set offers great value and portability. If you need a toy that's easy to set up and store, this is the one for your child. What people say. The workbench is sturdy and well-made, perfect for little hands to explore and build. It includes a variety of tools and accessories, like a hammer, screwdriver, and nuts and bolts, that encourage imaginative play. The workbench has a built-in storage area, keeping all the tools organized and within reach. Number 3. Kids Wooden Power Tool Workbench. Crafted from high-quality beech wood, this workbench is designed with your child's safety in mind. Its smooth finish and eco-friendly paint ensure a harmless and durable play experience, stimulating their senses with bright colors. Equipped with a variety of tools and parts like a hammer, saw, and screws, this set provides endless opportunities for imaginative building. It's a fun way for children to develop essential motor skills and hand-eye coordination. This educational tool bench helps young minds learn to use tools like wrenches and screwdrivers. Assembling the parts encourages fine motor skills, logical thinking, and problem-solving, fostering creativity. Designed for convenience, it features a handy storage compartment and tool hanging space. This makes tidying up after playtime quick and effortless. Ideal for children aged 3 and up, this construction toy set makes a wonderful gift for birthdays and holidays. It's a safe and engaging way to encourage interaction and growth. Watch your child's confidence soar as they assemble their own projects. This workbench fosters creativity and problem-solving skills in a fun and safe environment. What we like. Crafted from high-quality beech wood with eco-friendly paint, this workbench prioritizes safety and durability. If you prefer a natural, non-toxic option that helps develop fine motor skills and problem-solving, this wooden set is an excellent pick. What people say. Very well made. Easy to assemble. Lots of tools and ways for kids to be creative and entertained. It's a sweet little play set, not big and bulky. Grandson loves this, not too difficult to put together. Well built. And wood. Hue plus. Our grandson thinks it's the greatest thing since sliced bread. Doesn't take up much floor space but provides hours of fun. Number 2. Kids Tool Bench with electric drill and chair. Discover a versatile toy that can be a workbench or a toolbox. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, perfect for little hands to carry anywhere. This set includes 75 realistic play tools, like a power drill with sound effects and interchangeable bits. It's designed to spark creativity and imagination for young builders. Encourage learning through play. This kit helps develop hand-eye coordination, problem-solving skills, and good organizing habits as they pretend to build and fix. Crafted with high-quality, safe materials and a sturdy design, this workbench offers a stable and authentic play experience. The tools are perfectly sized for small hands. Looking for a special gift? This toy tool set is ideal for birthdays, Christmas, or any occasion for children aged 3 and up who love to pretend to be a craftsman. What we like. This set uniquely includes a chair and features realistic sounds for an immersive play experience. If you want a complete setup that transforms into a convenient toolbox and offers engaging audio feedback, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Drill actually spins and turns the bolts. Excellent product for teaching young ones about hand tools. The tools are like Real with battery pack and spotlight for starters. The table bench and little chair are perfect size for a toddler. Number 1. Step TooyBing Builders Pro Workshop. Inspire your child's creativity and watch their confidence grow. This workshop provides endless hours of hands-on fun, helping them discover how things work. Experience realistic play with interactive lights and sounds. Electronic tools bring every project to life, allowing little ones to build like the pros. It comes packed with 45 accessories, including a special drill and a color-changing birdhouse. These inspire endless creative and active play. Setting it up is a breeze with the included hardware. Cleanup is just as simple, taking only seconds with a disinfectant wipe. Designed for durability, it's sturdy enough for any adventure. This pretend PlayStation is ready for years of imaginative fun. Perfect for toddlers aged 3 and up. It's made of durable plastic for safe and long-lasting indoor or outdoor play. What we like. This workshop brings play to life with interactive lights and sounds, plus a unique color-changing birdhouse. If you're seeking a durable, engaging option that makes playtime feel truly real and offers a variety of interactive elements, this is the one to consider. What people say. It comes with the screws needed for assembly. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. It comes with a built-in table saw that has movement when you push it. I am very impressed with the battery-operated drill that comes with both a drill bit and a flathead screwdriver tip. It operates forward and reverse. I'm also impressed with the LED light. The birdhouse is made of foam pieces that you put together like a puzzle. It changes color when painted with plain water, which is very cool. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.